Did you know there's a giant waterfall beneath the ocean? It sounds impossible, but it's real. Between Greenland and Iceland, cold, dense water sinks beneath warmer water. This creates the world's largest underwater waterfall. It's over 3 kilometers tall. That's more than 3 times the height of Angel Falls, the tallest waterfall on Earth. Scientists say it plays a major role in controlling Earth's climate. The ocean is hiding incredible secrets. Follow Futureverse AI today because tomorrow's mystery is even more unbelievable.